From your startup screen, click on Open, browse to your Chapter 12 folder, and open the file Chapter 12 Pipes. In the project browser, scroll down until we find our Level 1 piping plan and make sure it's the active view. Now here's a tip for actually finding your views with a lot more ease. If you're finding that you're having to continually scroll down in the project browser to find your views, just compact the rest of them, because we're only interested in plumbing right now. From the Systems tab, click on Pipe. Check my pipe size from the Options toolbar, its offset from the current level, and the pipe properties. We can also pick up the system type. Scroll into the south part of the building and start drawing my pipe run. Press Escape to finish. It couldn't be easier. There are, of course, other factors to take into consideration, like at this stage of the project, do we really want to have a sloping pipe system? And do we want to coordinate with the other services right at this point in time? Another way to create your pipe run is to actually draw straight from the unit that you're connecting into. How can you do that if you can't actually see it in plan? If I hover over it, I can just about see it and connect into it. But let's try something else. If I select the object I want to connect to, you can see the connectors and their service. So I can just click Create Pipe. You can see that we're creating the domestic hot water pipe, and I can start drawing my pipework. And if I connect into an existing pipe, then Revit will give me transitions, rises, and automatically any transitions if there's a change in size. The transition may not always be in the place that you'd expect it to be. So let's just undo a couple of steps and try something a little bit different. From the Modify tab, click on Split Element. Split the existing pipe up here. Click on Modify, and now change the end pipe segment. And we'll change this to 15 millimeters. We now have a transition, and if I draw my pipework again from the base, we get a nice connection, and the transition actually ends up where it's supposed to be.